7,100% Medicare fraud surge. Trump admin cracks down on billions stolen. Imagine a surge, not of 10%, not 100%, but an astronomical 7,100% in just 6 years. That's the shocking reality of Medicare claims for skin substitutes, rocketing from $200 million to a staggering $14.4 billion. This drastic spike between 2019 and 2025 prompted the Trump administration's anti-fraud task force, led by Vice President J.D. Vance and Administrator Mehmet, to launch a massive crackdown. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, quickly identified 4,200 suspicious claims for these skin substitutes, also known as allografts, totaling $224 million. Since March, the task force has been relentless, denying an incredible 96% of these potentially fraudulent claims. As Dr. Oz put it at a press conference, that's a lot of money. It causes major problems across the entire landscape. But the fight against fraud didn't stop there. The task force also zeroed in on durable medical equipment, or DME, which includes essential items like wheelchairs and hospital beds. In an impressive 6 months, this task force claims to have effectively wiped out DME fraud in America. Payments were suspended for 102 suppliers, and billing privileges revoked for an additional 725 after a moratorium on new DME companies and aggressive enforcement actions. Fraudulent claims typically involved equipment that wasn't necessary, was more expensive than ordered, or was never even delivered. Thanks to this whole-of-government approach, nearly $220 million in fraudulent skin substitute claims were stopped, and billing privileges for over 800 DME suppliers were suspended or revoked. Dr. Oz had a stark message for anyone attempting to defraud the system. To anyone out there, and I'm talking to you, if you're a fraudster, you start running, because the vice president and this task force are coming after you. This aggressive stance extends beyond Medicare, as seen in Minnesota, where the Justice Department tackled massive Medicaid fraud cases, including the largest autism fraud scheme ever charged by the federal government. This entire initiative was born from an executive order by President Donald Trump, who appointed Vice President Vance to lead the charge. With billions of dollars being uncovered, the task force is just getting started, promising to root out corruption and protect vulnerable patients across the nation.